Hey, this is Hunter at Hunterworks. I recently made a video showing you guys how to connect a Can-Am to a Dynojet PowerVision 3 programmer from Hunterworks and how to send the PV info file and the stock file that you extracted after pairing it to me to be able to get those tune files back from us. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to receive those files back from me, the Hunterworks performance file and the Hunterworks speed limited file, and upload them back onto your vehicle. So let's hop in front of the computer and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so I connected my PowerVision using the USB cable and went ahead and connected my computer. You can do this on MacBook or Windows. On the right side of the screen, follow my cursor. This is an email I had sent to myself, so this is an email that you guys would be viewing. If you were to send me your information, this is what you get back. Well, these are our tune files. So this is our Hunterworks tune file, and this is our Hunterworks speed limited tune file. So what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to want to click the down arrow, or you're going to want to right click it. You're going to want to copy and paste it into a safe place where you know it's going to be on your computer. So in my case, I was able to put it in the downloaded section, which is right here where my cursor is. I don't want to go in there and show you guys all my downloads, just you would get confused. So what you want to do is just copy and paste it into the downloads. And then when you go in your downloads, you will see that HW, HWSL, and you want to transfer it from your downloads back into your PowerVision. You can right click it, you can drag it if you're on a Mac. Just make sure that it's in that folder and you see it just like this. So now your tunes are now back on your PowerVision programmer. You can now disconnect, and now I'll see you guys over at the Defender to show you guys how to upload it back onto your vehicle. So I'll grab the flash harness out the box, go ahead and connect your device back to your vehicle. And you want to go ahead and turn the key on. Power is being sent to the device now. I'm going to bring this in closer for you guys to see. Alright, so this is the initial screen. You just want to click through it with this button. So all your tunes are going to be in your flash tune settings. So go ahead and click on flash tunes, and now you're going to see all your tunes. So there's your HW one, your HWSL. My Defender already has the HW one in there, so that's why that asterisk is there. But this is what you would do if you wanted to upload it on there. I'll use the stock file for example. You want to click that, and you want to click it again to start ECU flash. That gives you information, and then you want to just click it again to continue. I'm not going to do it, but after you click this button, it usually says it takes about 15 minutes. And you're good to go. Alright, so hope you got them two files uploaded on your vehicle, and now you're ready to hit the dirt, mud, water, road, whatever you guys want to do with your vehicle. That's up to you. But don't forget, Hunterworks has the best belts on the planet. We offer all the different Can-Am models, and we're now on Amazon, so you guys go check them out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Catch you guys later.